how to stay consistent during the whole preparation period or the process? Like, how can someone achieve the consistency?
Yeah. Thank you for the question. Well, everyone has the ups and downs. Everyone has ups and downs. It's like it's a normal process. It's our life. That's why I included that fourth slide about gifting yourself. To honor yourself, honor your abilities, honor your hard work. Don't compare yourself to someone. Don't compare someone who works about 18 hours per day or received extreme high mark. You and the person A and person B, they are completely different from each other. If for the person A, they're working for 18 hours is okay, for the person B, it may not be okay. So don't yourself stress out. Don't demotivate yourself. You are perfect and you are honored from your perspectives. So whenever you work, for example, 5 hours for 6 days, try to have a rest on 7th day. To give to yourself with a rest, go outside, enjoy yourself. It will keep up with your motivation, because whenever you work for 7 days on 24/7, it burns out your motivation. So try to feel yourself with the motivations from time to time to give to yourself, or for example, if you want like the brand new laptop or the phone or so on, you can give this one to you after you get the pass on step 1, or if you get high mark on step 2CK. It will be like the gifting and honoring your achievements. It will keep you sustained and stable, or this like during this whole stressful process.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.